Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change the language on FiveM in just a few steps. So sometimes the language set by default is not the language you want, and I'm gonna show you how you can change it to any language you want. So this is very easy. The only thing you need to do is go right here at the top right of the screen. Then you will be here at account, just click the interface option and you will see language and the list of all the languages you can choose. For example, let's say I want Spanish, for example. And now, as you can see, there are some things that are translated, but there are other things that are still in English. As you can see, it's the same right here. This is in Spanish, but for example, this is still in English, and this is because FiveM didn't translate everything in the interface, so that's the only thing you can do. You will have part of it in English and part of it in your main language, but it's still good because it still has a lot of things translated. So it might be different in your language. Maybe in Spanish it has more things translated, but if you are using another language, maybe they didn't translate that much, or maybe they even have more translations. But in my case, I'm gonna stick to English, and that's it. That's what you can do. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.